A richly detailed extension and renovation, the Pear Tree House demonstrates a seamless transition between the old and the new, where a structured floating box connected to a sunken garden and a rectangular pool elevate traditional charm to modern sophistication. The homeowner's desire was to ensure the modern extension remained in harmony with the character of the original 1890 sandstone cottage, which sat on a modest 627 square meters plot. They wanted to add significant space for private retreat areas, as well as more open areas for entertaining and socializing, along with a garden, outdoor living areas, pool, and service areas. The architecture firm Glasshouse Projects designed this 300 square meter extension, which features a dining area, kitchen, pantry, laundry, powder room, guest bathroom, and office. In the kitchen, Japanese ceramic tiles arrange it vertically as a backsplash, continue the visual language, while the minimalist stone countertop allows wood and vertical elements to dominate. Wood slats extending from the kitchen also frame the laundry room. Using wood as a continuous element from the kitchen to the exterior, as well as the repetition of horizontal elements, the house has a continuous flow, maximizing usable space throughout the seasons. Dealing with the lack of openings in houses of this era, an 8.5-meter skylight runs the length of the living space, harnessing the south-facing backyard and flooding natural light into the heart of the home, while perfectly delineating the old from the new. In sensitivity to the character of the original house, Glasshouse reduced the visual volume by using simple geometry of rectangular forms, reinforced with strong horizontal elements, such as the floating roofs. A cantilevered slab, suspended over a sunken courtyard and pool, is framed with 3-meter sliding glass doors. The garage is accessed through the rear entry of the house. The addition of a side entry with parking space offers greater convenience for unloading groceries, with direct access to the kitchen and living area. The open woodworking intersects to create the partition between the office and living spaces. This allows residents to work privately, but still feel connected to the rest of the house, also making use of the natural light provided by the skylight and oversized frames. While the garden with the beloved pear tree and the pool provide a focal area, they add deliberate freshness to the design palette, balancing the warmth of the paneled wood and textured limestone used in floors and walls. The front facade and veranda were preserved, their simple and understated style providing a clear distinction from the richness, expansiveness, and warmth of the materials used in the interior areas. Located in Prospect, Australia, this mesmerizing design piece boasts approximately 305 square meters of living space, which is likely more than you would expect when observing its diminutive facade. The renovation in the older part of the house resulted in a new master bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. The master bathroom extends directly to the pool through a side entry, with Glasshouse's vision of replicating the luxurious feeling of a Roman bath. Hence the use of heavily textured Turkish Argento limestone enveloping the floor, shower area, and cabinets under the countertop. From the street front, it appears as a beautiful and carefully renovated old stone villa, respecting the other historic homes on the street. In the back, it's a stunning pavilion inspired by mid-century style.